So, I'm back here on Mitch's car. We're charging it up now. I'm going to drive it to work. I got this new BMS in here. And as we see, the front batteries all are doing pretty well. But what we see when we look on the front is number 14, 15, and 16, and 17 are already approaching their charge cutoff voltage. They're not holding as much electricity as the other. Number 1 isn't so hot either. I'd like to get rid of them batteries for sure. 1, 14, 15, 16, and 17 are bad batteries. Now I have lots of batteries of that model. My problem is finding out which ones are the good ones. And we have a couple of problems. One, just charging them up, measuring how much electricity they have, and then draining them down does not seem to help, because they can appear to be good and they really aren't. I got this bank over here that I've been just doing a test on just recently, trying to find you 4 more batteries, but I'm not having a lot of luck. I did find somebody contacted me that has supposedly 40 of these. I think they have 40, enough to do your whole car. 42, I believe your car has. Yeah, they want, I think it's 85 a piece, although they're supposedly brand new. Now, I could just get 4 of them to replace these 4 here, or buy them all and make you some kind of deal on the batteries that you have. I haven't quite decided what to do. Or the other thing is, right now it does have about a 15-mile range. So maybe you're just happy with it the way it is. We'll talk.